You're watching how Leap lets remove reposts from your Instagram profile. If you have reposted a reel or post to your own grid, go to your profile, find the reposted item, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that post. From the menu, select delete if it is a reel or archive if it is a static post. Confirm your choice. The repost will be removed from your profile. To stop seeing reposts from other accounts in your feed, you can mute the account that shared it. Tap the three dots on their repost, select not interested, or go to their profile, tap following, and select mute. This will hide their future posts and reposts from your feed. You cannot delete a repost from someone else's profile. You can only hide it from your own view or mute the account. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.